Today we have brought you top homemade hair treatments that will help you make your hair look lovely. This video is brought to you by Jazz Health Studio. Eggs, yogurt and honey are, at first glance, all components of a tasty breakfast, but they also happen to be hair treatment ingredients and affordable all-natural ones at that. And they're not the only ones. Did you know, for instance, that the oils in avocados more closely resemble our own skin's oils than any product in the beauty aisle does? Or that the mild acidity in lemon is an effective alternative to chemical-laden products? Next time your locks need a lift, save money by using one of these kitchen fixes. The raw egg is really the best of all worlds, says Janice Cox, author of Natural Beauty at Home. So, this is how you use egg for your hair. For normal hair, use the entire egg to condition hair. Use egg yolks only to moisturize dry, brittle hair. And if you have oily hair, then you can use only egg whites for your hair. Use 1/2 cup of whichever egg mixture is appropriate for you and apply to clean, damp hair. If there isn't enough egg to coat scalp and hair, use more as needed. Leave on for 20 minutes, rinse with cool water to prevent egg from cooking and shampoo hair. Whole egg and yolks only treatments can be applied once a month. Whites only treatment can be applied every 2 weeks.
Styling products can leave a film that both saps moisture and dulls shine. However, dairy products like sour cream and plain yogurt can help reverse this damage. This is how you should use dairy products if you have dull hair. Massage 1/2 cup sour cream or plain yogurt into damp hair and let sit for 20 minutes. Then, rinse with warm water followed by cool water and then shampoo hair as you normally would.
To fight flakes in your hair, try a lemon juice and olive oil mixture and you will see the miracle happening. The acidity in lemon juice helps rid your scalp of any loose, dry flakes of skin, while the olive oil moisturizes the newly exposed skin on your head.
Whatever your hair dehydrating demon is, whether it is hard water, sun overexposure or your trusty flat iron, nature's sweetener can help. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and locks in moisture. Massage approximately 1/2 cup honey into clean, damp hair and let sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. You can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil to loosen the honey for easier application. For extremely sun-damaged hair, try mixing honey with 1 to 2 tablespoons of a protein-rich ingredient like avocado or egg yolk, which will help replenish the keratin protein bonds that UV rays attack. This treatment can be applied once a month.
If used properly, cornmeal or cornstarch is an inexpensive way to remove oil and grease. Pour 1 tablespoon cornmeal or cornstarch into an empty salt or pepper shaker and sprinkle onto dry hair and scalp until you've used it all. After 10 minutes, use the paddle hairbrush to completely brush it out. This treatment can be applied every other day.
These were among few of the home treatments for your hair. And remember, try to take care of your hair before it is too late, because prevention is better than cure.